gonna pop up.
Give me some.
We're gonna
just
go.
Relax, Peg. Relax.
Gang, I'm so excited to start this video. My name is Devon, this is Terry, this is Peggy Miller from Cherry Blend Coffee Roasters. You know us as Coffee Roasters University. The amount of feedback that we've been getting, the amount of people that have been showing up for this channel has been incredible. We are legitimately grateful for all of you that have liked the videos, left a comment. What I thought would be cool today, because we're getting a ton of great comments from you guys, is just to let these two just look at the comments that you've given and just respond to them in real time. So they haven't seen any of the comments that we're gonna look at today. I really just have the analytics right now, just showing how many people have come to the channel. So that's all we're looking at. So what I'll do is I will turn this around, I'll start pulling up some comments, and then I'll start sharing them on the screen because your feedback is a gift, and we thought it'd be cool to share some of that feedback with you. So let's go down here to where our people are saying hi to us. Okay, so the way that this filters, this takes all of the comments and it filters them first by the ones that we haven't responded to or seen before, so that's super helpful. So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so the first comment comes in from, and this is on our Cowboy Coffee tutorial, which is far and away our most popular video. This comes from @I don't use Twitter, and this was 27 minutes ago, so this is nice and fresh. How and why does this video exist? You wanna make coffee? Have you tried mixing coffee in hot water? Is that not just black coffee? Who needs this video? Why is it on the internet? Thank you @I don't use Twitter. Terry, you wanna take this one?
Sure. I think I don't use Twitter because maybe you're checking for the right source and it's right here in front of you. So Cowboy Coffee is just another form. Just like in our own house, we have 12 ways to make coffee. So everybody has a different idea on what their coffee should taste like and where it comes from and how it's made. All we're doing is providing you different ways to make coffee. Cowboy Coffee is just one more way. It's been around since who knows when, I guess since cowboys. So it's just a cool thing to have, and it's something to look forward to. So we appreciate your question, and hey, keep on watching and we'll come up with some more good ideas for you.
All right, right on. So I don't use Twitter. Thank you for your feedback. We appreciate that. Let's do another one. So turned it off after a few seconds. It was all I could do to take. It was all I could take of your loud, annoying, pointless music. Get rid of it. Can I take this one? Do you guys mind?
Oh, sure.
I love that feedback. That's like the most pronounced feedback that we've gotten was on the song. So the cool thing is, two things happen in this video. So if you look at the top in the beginning, it's gonna show you the music-free edition of that video, which you can check out. Also in the top pinned comment of Cowboy Coffee, it gives you a link to that video as well. So we know that music isn't for everybody. If you see the tattoos on my body, you know that I'm a big, big fan of music. I think it kind of adds a new element to the videos. But if you don't like that, that is not a problem for us. Just find that music-free version. And actually, we got some feedback from somebody else that said, why don't you use the sound in the, like the song in the beginning intro and then kill it? So if you notice in our latest videos, we started doing that. You'll hear the intro song, and then when we get to that logo bumper, Coffee Roasters University, it usually fades out after that. So again, we appreciate your feedback. We love that. That's how we make this channel better and stronger. So keep it coming. So @Raccoon874, thank you for your comments. We've already solved that issue for you. All right, let's do another one. Let's do @JohnUrban7333 says, could you pour it through a strainer before drinking? That's on Cowboy Coffee.
You can, but this video is to show you how simple and how little bit of tools that you need to make a good cup of coffee.
Okay, cool. So we'll respond to them in a little bit. But yeah, so you technically can, but the point of Cowboy Coffee is to take the extra stuff out of it and just go with like coffee grounds and like just water. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Don't overcomplicate it. This one, I like these ones. These ones are super fun. @BlueRingOctopus says, that's definitely not how it's done. Now, I know that you taught them how to do it. I watched you do it. I even drank a cup of the coffee. So I feel like you did it, but that's definitely not how it's done. What do you think?
Well, they're probably used to seeing it done in a large craft, a large pot over a campfire is what everybody thinks is the Cowboy Coffee. This is a single version cup of Cowboy Coffee. Same way, it's just in a cup.
Well, and I guess if I look at the entire title, How to Make Cowboy Coffee, if I only read that much, I might make assumptions. Oh, but if I kept reading in a single cup, cupping style brewing method. Like, it's all there for you. We try to use all of those words to help kind of explain what type of method it was. Doesn't mean that we can't do like how to make cowboy coffee like over a campfire one day.
Correct.
But for right now, doing it in the shop, I think we get in trouble if we set fires in here.
Yeah, no fires here. No.
So we were trying to use the method that we could use and still teach you how to do it. So at John Urban 733, thank you for your comment. We appreciate you. Do a couple more?
Sure.
Absolutely.
All right, so saw her smell it, but not, this is actually John Urban too. He wrote back in, saw her smell it, but not drink it. I think you said cheers. Did I cut it before you drank it at the end? I must have.
Possibly.
I can verify that she did drink it. I drank it too. I can tell you that it does have like a different kind of like body of flavor. Like it kind of coats your mouth and your teeth a little bit more than traditional coffee. So I filmed the video. I was there when we both drank it. So John, you can challenge all you want to. There's no greater witness than me. So I appreciate your feedback. All right, so those are all the ones that we have kind of not responded to so far. Want to do a couple more?
Yep.
All right, so let's just, oh, I like this one. At PaulDouglas wrote in and he said, I'm actually digging the music. Sounds like Santana. Carlos Santana is like one of the best guitarists ever. He's amazing. Joe Satriani's really good. Steve Vai. I love music. So incorporating great music is a good thing.
Paul,
Yeah,
just to go back,
Santana.
Paul, just to go back with that, we saw Santana, and it's a fantastic group. And I was lucky enough to grow up under all the good players: Santana, Richie Haven, Joe Cocker, Janis Joplin. So we'll keep the music coming for you if you're interested, and keep you happy.
And then, yeah, we'll keep on adding like those music-free videos as well. So you have an option. The goal is to give you like the best method to learn that you want to, and then we'll give you music-free, music full, whatever you want. John Wayne has done this several times.
John Wayne, I know John Wayne very well. I've watched every movie he's ever had. In fact, my father-in-law watches it every single day.
Sure.
And John Wayne never made a cup of coffee in his life, more than likely, because he was a millionaire and he didn't have that option.
It's probably true.
So what he was is a fantastic movie star. But yeah, you're right. In the movies, John Wayne made coffee and smoked cigarettes and always had the hottest chicks. But it doesn't mean he
And
had
got
the best
shot
coffee.
and never died.
And, yeah, he's invincible.
He got shot many times and never. He's always back for the next movie. Thank goodness.
So at 0.68-11, thank you for your comment. We're big fans of the Duke as well. Let's see. That's how we Indonesian make our coffee. Not need cowboy style. It's called Kopi, Trubuk, in our language.
That's cool. We appreciate that. You know what? Hey, I'm here. We're all here to learn other ways. And if you want to send us some and let us know how that works, we'd appreciate it, because every country in the world has coffee, and knowing how they make it, we all do. We all end up with the same thing, but we might do it a little bit different. So let us know and keep us involved with how you make coffee, and we'd like to learn your way also.
That was from at ArmoredAngels. We appreciate that.
Thank you.
Peggy, we just did one on how to brew in like a mocha pot, and like a lot of that comes from the Turkish style of coffee. So it's really cool to find out how you're like integrating other cultures of coffee like into local Canton and like, you know, local American households. Pretty cool. So let's see, cowboy coffee. How would this differ from a French press or AeroPress?
The difference here is that we're not pushing the coffee grounds ourselves down to the bottom. The gravity's taking the coffee grounds to the bottom of the cup, and all we're doing is scraping the top crust off, so you're not drinking it when it's time.
All right, let's do one more and then let's land this plane, shall we? At Michael McLaughlin 4374 writes in a week ago and says, everyone has their own idea about cowboy coffee. That's absolutely true. We can verify this from the so many comments we've gotten from you guys about it. Now, he says, I've been a cow puncher for 50 years, and the best coffee I've ever made was this. Boil the water, put the coffee grounds in, take pot off flame, let steep, pour a little cold water into settle the grounds, pour yourself a cup, let it settle, and let the pot just simmer. And so we love that you're watching these videos and sharing the way that you do it. That's a big part of this. We're going to show you the things that we've learned to be true. Like, I love sharing what Terry knows how to do, what Peggy knows how to do. But as you all have your own preferred brewing methods, tell us about them. If you have videos that you're making, share them with us. We'd love to see that too. Legitimately, we appreciate the feedback that you've given us. We make this channel for you. So whether it's about the music, whether it's about the way that you're brewing coffee at home, no matter what you want to tell us about this channel, we'd love to hear it. Your feedback is legitimately a gift. So Miss Peggy, Mr. Terry, anything that you want to tell the people before we land this plane and finish this video?
Well, I just appreciate the fact that a cowboy actually responded to us. You'd be the second one I know. I met a gentleman that was probably in his 90s many, many years ago, and he was a true cowboy. He used to shoot his pistols down the basement, and he looked like he was a real cowboy. This guy was real for sure. So, and he knew an awful lot because he helped me in my life and got us forward. So keep up your stuff, keep up your information, and get back to us on what you're doing, so we can learn from you also.
See, inspired by real cowboys making coffee for real cowboys.
Sure.
What about you? Anything else, Miss Peggy?
We're enjoying the feedback. We'll keep doing more videos as we progress forward, and we're looking forward to your guys' feedback in the future.
Right on. So we appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join us here on Coffee Roasters University so you don't miss any of our future videos, and know that you're a part of it too. Ask us a question, let us know what you want us to make, and maybe you're the comment or you're the featured video in the next rotation. So we will see you guys in our next video. Thanks.
Take care.
Thanks.